This is what I want.
What's that?
That's what I want.
I know, right?
That's what I want, guys. The water in this heat. This water is giving. It's giving a cool vibes, you know? Look at it. Wow. It is giving. This is sprinklers. The sprinklers are giving. Woo, so cool. So cool. I'm not moving. Oh, let's do a video. Because this is cool. The sprinklers are cool. Hi. Hi, Dominique. Dominique. Hi, how are you? I'm here chilling in this hot weather. How are you? Share the live, Dominique. See, the sprinkler is giving. Woo! And you know it goes in circle and come around and I'm nearly wet up, you know? But this is giving like, whew, gosh, so cool. So cool. I'm not even moving. Me I get like a wet up on my body. Thank you. Yeah, okay, all is well. Great. So, you know the temperature. So I came outside and this is what I found. The water giving vibes here. Watch here now. It's coming, it's come around. It's coming right around. Oh God. But it's nice. It is nice. And it's just right here, so ooh. Ooh. I can't tell when last I see something like this. The grass is being watered. Yeah, so it's I'm not even going around the train station way because around there supposed to be too hot by the river. The river is supposed to be cool enough, but to get to the river, supposed to be very hot. You know, we should have go check out over there, so I'm gonna check out over there, so I see one sign on the door outside. So far it it's coming around. It's like a semi sprinkler. See it? That come around. Come leave it up there, so and it'll follow me. It gone back around now. Bossy, sir. It bossy, sir. You will see it for the next few days. Yes, as it's gonna be in the 90s for a few days. I'm up in Chapaco. I wish part that there, Dominique. I don't know where that there. Me hear that name there before. Chapaco. Chappaqua. Can't even pronounce it. How do I pronounce it? I'm gonna look on that board and see if there's anything good is on it. Or is just the cafeteria advertising what they have on the menu today. I eat lunch already, you know, so I just walk out my belly full. But yeah, out here, look at the sky, oh it's pretty. Out here warm. Mercy. And inside the office a freeze. Mercy. Welcome in, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Jesus. Awesome. Nobody tanning today. It's too hot to go tan. Alright, what did this say? What's Cybersecurity Summit? Oh, okay. It's not any food, guys. It's a summit. Not far from. Really? You pronounce it right. It's where the former President Clinton lives. Ah, nice. Nice, 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 nice. That's nice. Yeah. Ooh, welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Like the live, share the post, and subscribe. I'm here trying to feel 90 plus degrees feel in the cold foreign country. If it's worse than Jamaica. But it look like it feel worse than Jamaica. This heat here. When me just walking off a couple seconds, not normal. So me I come out back. I may go back where me have water and the sprinklers them going on. Off and on and on. Sprinklers. And right here so, feel really cool. Because the sprinklers are there. Really cool. See it? Whew. I can't zoom it up. Yeah. The sprinklers makes it very cool right here, so see it? We're watering grass. We're keeping the grass parched. Not parched. We're keeping the grass kinda, don't make it parched in this heat. We don't want it to brown, we want it to be green. Green grass we keep. So see it? It's so beautiful. So we're not even stay outside too long in this heat here. But yeah. So make sure you guys in these areas where the temperature is like this. I know Jamaica eat people them know to deal with the heat already, you know, but not when it get too crazy. Remember to hydrate, drink your water. In Manhattan, concrete jungle, you would not want to be so enjoy where. No, sir. Me prefer the country. Me stay at the country part here for now. The country part have a few trees. You see how me have trees around me? For shade. If you take off the heat, wait. See water come wet me up, guys. Water come run to fall it. See where we have a lot of trees. Look. A lot of trees in some of these areas. The trees help us to cushion some of those heat. So where you don't have trees, it's more like a desert. So it's hotter. Anywhere you don't have trees must be hotter. Because the sun comes straight at you. Without a tree, the sun comes straight down. So it's good to plant trees, you know? Plant a tree today and keep the what do you call it now? What used to call it? What do you call it? On a soil erosion. What's the new term now? Dominique, help me out. Why we're having global warming? Yeah, global warming. Oh, the summit finish. Cybersecurity summit. Global warming takes over. You're having rain when you're not supposed to have it. You're having hurricane out of the hurricane season. And you have all sorts of something happening because of what? They are cutting down the trees. And the trees is what give life. The trees what protect us. You know? So we need to save our trees. I know some people use it to make coal to get them money, but we need it to live and to breathe. Yeah, when you have trees around, you breathe so good. You're breathing fresh air. Yeah. So people who live in other country, I think they have a chance of, I might quote this, have a chance of living longer than the persons who are living in the city or in the town area where it's just fumes, gas from the vehicles, and you don't have much trees to hey, where water come? I don't see water come wet me up. You know the phone, guys. We don't have much trees to help us get rid of some of those things. So it's important for us to plant a tree today. So that's the encouragement. Go out and plant a tree today. Labor Day, go out and help plant a tree. All when it's not Labor Day, sometimes they have this little thing going around where they ask you to come and plant a tree. It's because it's helpful in these times. People cut down the trees and make coal, cut down the trees and build home, build these luxury apartment. Yes, we need the apartment, but we also need the trees to stay alive, to live in the apartments. What do you think, guys? Am I talking facts, Dominique? Dominique, Dominique, or am I talking facts? Um, just I couldn't get a view of the water, the fountain, the ground fountain. Mm, 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 mm. Trees are life. Trees give us light. Yeah, yeah, it's true, man. You tired to hear them say, save a tree, stop cutting the trees, stop burning the rubbish, stop burning the bush, stop burning rubbish in open space. Pack your tree. Watch a bird. You see water, I want to go play, Pack your rubbish and don't burn them like that. Burn them at one place, one location. Too much fire lighting all over the place, causing problems for us. Watch him. Look at him. That's a birdie. You afraid I water God? The water spray me run. I said the water spray the bird and the bird run gone but in business. Yeah, gone but in water coming back. Yeah, I nearly get bunks on, guys. Yeah. Yeah. So all the trees, them too, help cushion like hurricane when you're having hurricanes. Yeah. If your house is out on the opening, no trees, chances are all the wind coming at you. All the wind coming at you, and you don't know what that will cause. But this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's beautiful. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Whew. So I can imagine if this was in our home. Watch it, Takum. If we have this in our home with your children, you know how much fun you can have. Watch it, hear the train come. Train coming. But it's too hot to go down by the river. Can't bother today. Too hot to go by the river. Later, honey. Take care. I'm gonna go myself soon because I'm gonna go back inside. It's too hot. Yeah. I'm gonna close off the live soon too. Yeah. Don't run too hard. Take your care in what you're doing, Dominique. Okay, guys. That was fun. That was fun. Okay. So, encouragement today is to plant a tree and save life. Yeah. So, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. If you're having a birthday, happy birthday. If you're grieving, my condolences and hugs, hugs, hugs. If you're having an anniversary, happy anniversary. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye bye.